Aruba Airport is transforming, and the next phase starts now. Through the Gateway 2030 expansion program, existing of various project phases, we are reimagining the airport experience, creating a more modern, efficient, and seamless journey for every passenger. As travel continues to evolve, Aruba Airport is preparing for the future, enhancing the way passengers move through every step of their journey. Phase 1A marked a major milestone with the opening of a new U.S. check-in hall designed for efficiency, sustainability, and comfort, and supported by a state-of-the-art baggage handling system. Now, Phase 1B is underway near Gate 8, expanding the terminal with 3 new waiting areas featuring comfortable seating and 3 gates with boarding bridges for direct access to the aircraft. The expansion also includes 3 departure bus gates and 1 arrival bus gate, all designed to support future growth and enhance the passenger experience. Next, we move into Phase 2, where transformation shifts inside the terminal and passengers will begin to see these changes take shape. Phase 2 will introduce a new expanded check-in hall for both U.S. and non-U.S. flights, along with new immigration, security, U.S. Customs and Border Protection areas, as well as a new commercial and food and beverage plaza. Because Phase 2 construction will take place in the current U.S. processing area, a temporary U.S. processing facility must first be built to keep operations running smoothly. To make this possible, U.S. processing will temporarily relocate to the current shopping and restaurant area after security. As a result, this area will be cleared out starting May 1st, with some shops and restaurants relocating to other gate areas over the coming months. Construction of the temporary U.S. processing facility will begin in June. During this time, passengers will continue using the existing U.S. processing area. A temporary corridor will guide U.S.-bound passengers safely through the terminal to reach it as construction progresses. While the path may change, the process remains the same. Once the temporary facility is completed, U.S.-bound passengers will complete their U.S. processing in this new location before continuing to their gates. This will allow the current U.S. processing area to be fully renovated as part of Phase 2, which includes a new expanded check-in hall, new immigration, security, and U.S. processing areas, and a new commercial and food and beverage plaza. Once Phase 2 is complete, the temporary facility will be removed, making way for a new commercial and food and beverage plaza for passengers traveling to destinations outside the United States, completing the upgraded experience for all travelers. Step by step, Gateway 2030 is transforming the way you travel, delivering more space, more comfort, and greater efficiency. We thank our passengers for their patience as we continue to build the airport of the future. Aruba Airport, your gateway to happiness.